How to get a Moneylion debit card. Alright, so you are interested in snagging a Moneylion debit card. It's pretty straightforward and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, you will need to download the Moneylion app. You find it in both App Store and Google Play. Once you have got it download, open it up. Let me open mine too, or log in if you already have one. Next step. You want to make sure your account is verified. This usually means providing some basic information like your name, address, and your social security number. Don't worry, it's secure and necessary for setting up your bank profile. Once your account is all set up and verified, navigate to the 9 dots icon which is in top left corner. You can see it over here. Tap on it. And there you will see an option for the request, which is at the top left. Simply tap it. It may take a little bit time to verify my details. It's showing the error because I haven't verified my account as I'm not the US resident over here, and this app is not allowed for non-US residents. However, I'll be explaining you the whole process. So if you are verified, you will see an option for request a Moneylion debit card over here. What you have to do is just tap on it and follow the prompts. You will typically have to confirm your shipping address to ensure your card gets sent to the right place. After that, it's a waiting game. They will mail it out to you, which usually takes about 7 to 10 business days. And there you go. Once your card arrives, activate it using your app and you are all set to start spending. Easy, right? Enjoy your new card and all the perks that come with it. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.